Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this time, for tuning in to my 3010th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. This video, coming at you on a Tuesday night, is for possibly trading on Wednesday. Now, it's a full day's trading. There's no half day, so the markets are open a full day. The Omni has been right. It's been calling for the downside for the last few days. We were able to get short Russell today right on the highs and ride it all the way down to just about the lows. Great job, Omni. And while Omni's winning, why would we stay away? So here we are. You know, traders, this is a risky game. Never trade without stops. Put your protective stops in first before you enter into a live position. That's how you mitigate risk. If you know about mitigating risk, let's see what's going on. For trading on Wednesday, last trading day of the year, 12/31/2025, you're looking at the NASDAQ daily bar chart. The Omni turned red last week on Friday, just turned red. Happens to be right up here at this trend line, but it's got zero to do with why the Omni would turn red. Just happens to be a coincidence. It's right at the trend line. But Omni turns red in U.S. indices. S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. Says Oscar, time to start selling. Yes, you got a call for 75.12, but we trade the Omni. We don't trade what we hope for. And I put out the sell recommendations for the last few days. Finally, we got a good fill today, and Omni's looking for us to sell it again tomorrow. So the Omni turns red right here, and here's what happens since. Look at this. Omni turns red, boom, down we go, we're going down again tonight. This is tonight for tomorrow. So the Omni sniffed it out, caught it right at the right spot, and the Omniacs were able to capitalize a little bit on that. No complaining from the Omniacs, I'm sure. So we're expecting more downside again for trading on Wednesday. We would sell rallies in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. Probably I'm only going to mess with the Russell because it doesn't move as much as everything else. It's the day before a holiday, you know what I mean? We'll get safe if we can, but we'll see where we can get a fill. Then we've got this. If we roll out the cryptos, you know, the Ethereum chart doesn't look terrible. Channels are shifting. They were red down channels for a while, all the way down to here. Then you got outside that channel, tested it again, and now we're working our way inside of a blue channel, which is moving in a different direction. Well, that's all right. Maybe we are actually starting to come out of that crypto winter we were talking about ending right around now. Last week, this week, next week, we're right here in that spot. We'll see what happens. So that doesn't look terrible. And then, speaking of crypto, Omni traders, look at what's going on with our crypto. Love you Omniacs out there. The Omni trading token in a bull flag still. The last few bull flags through here worked out. In a bull flag now, that should eventually take us higher. We've got a lot of Omniacs coming in this new year. They've been going through the Coinbase gauntlet of getting a Coinbase account open. Then you got to wait. They give you a $50 a day limit, and then you got to wait a couple of weeks, but blah, blah, blah. Well, we've got a lot of Omniacs getting through that gauntlet. Congratulations, Omniacs. And they want in on the Omni token, and so do I, and so do all of you. So Omniacs, get ready for a great year with the Omni token. And don't forget, as soon as they give us approval, we'll start putting utility into this token and allow you to use it for Omni camps, for Omni monthly recommendations, for anything that we can come up with. I'll put out some mugs and some, we'll put out these guys and we'll put out some shirts, whatever you guys want to use that currency on. We'll give you some utility to use it on, so we'll make this coin more useful, but we've got to wait for the law to be signed. Cannot do that till the law gets signed. Is supposed to happen like right around now, so we'll see when it gets announced. But bravo on the Omni trading token. You Omniacs around there, keep protecting yourselves. I'll be there to protect you as well, and we'll have this organically just continue to be a viable coin that moves higher and higher. Thank you so much for everything you do on the Omni trading token, and I'm right behind all of you Omniacs there. And we'll go back here and say, traders, remember, looks like more downside coming for our U.S. indices, and barring that, stops are in. Emotions are traders, I'll try to get in front of the camera. I'll try to get David over here tomorrow, and we'll do a year-end wrap-up. If we don't get it done tomorrow, it'll happen before we come back to work. Thank you for everything you do, Omniacs. Please leave your comments at the bottom of this video. I'll be more than happy to reply to those comments. Thank you for all you do, Omniacs.